Hey guys, Marco from The Real Potential Weekend here. I want to talk about healthcare. Really what it should be called is Sickcare. This is not an original term by myself. It's definitely been floating around for a while now. Sickcare is, we go and see a GP or we go to the hospital or, in very acute and intense cases, we get into an accident where we require an emergency or a hospital, which right now we have that down pat. Our sick care for acute illnesses or injuries is top notch. We can't do any better. It's a great system. However, for chronic illnesses, that particular, our healthcare industry is pretty lousy. Business owners and businesses need to start taking some responsibility for their health care of their employees. And again, sick care is when your employee gets sick or whether, they're at work and they require some hospital assistance or, an ambulance. That's sick care. Healthcare should be something completely different. It should be a whole new set of systems and activities that, some businesses will have to start taking responsibility for. How is your employee managing their healthcare? Are they exercising? What are they eating? What is their stress management like? What is their sleep like? These are the 4 really important pillars of healthcare. And businesses need to start looking at, well, how can I influence and how can I support my employees in managing their healthcare? Maybe you have a gym downstairs in your office. Great, but who's using that gym? Maybe you put on lunch for your employees a couple of days a week, or maybe you provide lunch for them 5 days a week. Great, but what type of food is being supplied? What are the quantities like? What's the quality of the food like? How do you assist your staff in trying to optimize their sleep? We don't expect you to go to their house and take them through how to optimize their sleep, but there are programs and there are people who can help your employees with that. And one of the big ones is stress management, which corporate wellness has done a pretty good job of, but everyone's a little bit different and everybody responds to stress management techniques differently. So it needs to be an individualized approach. So I guess what I'm getting at here in the video is the Real Potential Weekend really wants to start aiming to encourage and influence business owners, MDs, CEOs, to start looking at other ways and ideas around how they can improve and how they can be a catalyst for change with their employees' health care, because we've got sick care under control.